Hello, my lovelies. How are we all doing today? Well, this is a 1987 French 10 francs. Ha, 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 citron. Ha, ha, onions. Ha, 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 ha. Okay, sorry about that. Right, let's turn it into a ring. So my partner in crime, who does all my editing, does all my computer stuff, because I still use a fax machine. She's the clever one. I'm the dumb one. She said, "Close your window." I said, "Why?" Because the noise. I think she's done a couple of my videos before. She said the bloody noise is terrible. So hopefully you can still hear it. I just said, "Yes, dear. No problem, darling." Oh. Right. Oh, a bit more. Who's a naughty boy then? Oh, it's warm. Hope everybody's doing fantastic today. I'm doing wonderfully, thank you very much. Thanks for asking. Right, we just want to clean up the edge. This is Christy Burr. Look, it's looking a bit sad there, isn't it? Right, there you go. That's nice and clean. So, we're going to have this as the sunny side up on the ring. You got a bit of the king's head there. He's got a nice goatee beard and moustache. Very royal. Right. We don't need that. I'll tell you what we do need. We need the good old tapping block. What do you think? Yeah. Gary. Yeah, that's good. So, let's warm it up a bit. Show this baby some love. Right, that's hotter than the sun. Let's dry it off. Right, and we're going to go for... I was going to go for this side, but my girlfriend this side, and I think she's right. It does look a bit nicer. So, thank you to my little darling. She'd be lost without me, she really would. I think it'd be the other way around, really. Right, let's go over to Big Red. Everybody loves the tapping block, except me. I don't like it at all, but I start using it. Right, what we got? A little bit smaller would be nice. I think I'm going to have to start with this one. Give it a little bit of a, just a little bit. Because all of these dies are made for US coins, so you have to have a play about with them. Oh no, that went. So let's break out Sandy. Well, that's Sandy's sister. You just want to clean up that edge. Make sure it's nice and clean, no cracks forming. I made a nice spaghetti bolognese 3 days ago. We had the last one last night. It's quite nice. Sometimes you get it just right. It's like making a cup of tea. Or so you guys like coffee, don't you? But sometimes when I'm making a cup of tea, you get it just right. You just have the tea bag in long enough, just the exact right amount of milk. And you have a taste, you think, oh my God, yeah, that's really sexy. And you try and do it again, and it don't come out the same. What the bloody hell am I talking about? Jesus wept. I thought that was a crack. It's just a bit of banana skin or something. Right, this is quite a thick coin, so I'm going to show it a bit more love with Bernie. You can check out my shop. It's in the description below. It's Your Finger My Ring. Check it out. There's loads of other stuff in there, not just rings. There's other stuff you can check out. I'm not going to tell you what else is in there. You'll have to look. It's more fun if you don't know, isn't it? Oh, better kind of a look. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I don't like that. You can send me your own coins. Right, let's have another piece of clean kitchen roll. And we'll go over to Spike. There he is. So far, this little ring stretch has done well. I've had this, what? The first one lasted about 2 months, I think, which broke. That was the 4 spline. This is a 6 spline. And, yeah, I mean, so far, so good. I don't think they last forever because they didn't have to take some stick. And you've got the guts inside. There's a lot of pressure going on. Under pressure. Right, what we got? Yeah, so far so good. And the bow's out of it, but it's still quite a small ring, so let's make it a bit bigger. I think that'll do. See that? There's no bow in it, it's just cone shaped, which is what we're looking for. Right, let's show it one more bit of love. This has had 3 bits of love. Yeah, any questions at all? Anything about what tools I use? Anything about me? Anything about anything? If I can help, I'll gladly do so. For a fee, of course. You know, nothing's free in this life. Yeah, right. Okay. Right, this is the bottom end of the spike. Now we just want to get that cone shape out. Let's find some white. There you go. I don't know why I'm always looking for some white. There's quite a bit there. We need to find it's going to have to be this one. Oh, wait a minute, where's my other one? This is the one that came with my spike. There you go. The quality of this one is not very good, but it does the job. This one, that was made in the US of A. Whatever that means, I don't know. But it's supposed to be good. It is good, though. It's a little bit of a... yeah, just a bit. There you go. That's beautiful. The walls are nice and straight. I think we need to just dig out that lip. I mean, UK was the world leader in steel production, and then it all went tits up. Now England makes nothing really. You know, it's sad. There's a little tiny bit left. That's pretty damn sexy. Right, let's jump on Dave. Well, it'd be good to put in the one and only Kate Bush, wouldn't it? This just gets the fire scale off, cleans it up a little bit. There you go. Look at that. And it looks wobbly, but it's not. It's this bloody, these camera lenses, they're absolute crap. They focus good. But this is the Edwin look. This is my favourite look. But we will polish it. And if you prefer it, the Edwin look, I can easily run over it again with Kate. She's always ready to oblige, is our Kate. Right, bit of the old jollop on it. Right, let's give it a go, see what we got. Ouch. I need this to wear down a bit, it's a bit too big still. I could trim it with my knife, I might do that. Ouch. That bit me. That's a bit hot. Like my girlfriend, she's hot. She's too hot to handle sometimes. Right. That's good. Let's get out our nice yellow cloth. Yeah, that ain't come up too bad. There you go. And that is why you use the kitchen roll. You've got all that detail on the inside. Oh, hey, oh, hey, oh, citron. Oh, hey, oh. Right, what size we got? This is the size by the Yankee Doodle magic wand. You always measure from the reeded side. This is milled, but the same thing. This is a size, just over 9¼ I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller. Fits that finger absolutely perfectly. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. Thanks for beer, the alcohol beer. Thanks for my darling. And just thank everybody. And thank you for hitting that like button, the support button. Hit the bloody buttons, come on. Right, take it easy. So bye-bye.